The world is being actively constructed, and we are pivotal players in this transformation. Technological advancements reshape our society, redefining the very foundations of everyday life. Mastering the synergy of AI, creativity, and digital fluency allows us to shape the future. Imagine walking through a workshop buzzing with servers, where AI fuels innovation and creativity. AI tirelessly processes information, generates insights, and executes tasks with remarkable efficiency. However, blueprints for the future are drawn by human minds ignited by creativity and imagination. The tools of this construction are the digital skills that continually evolve in our fast-paced world. This is not just a dream, but a reality for those willing to embrace change and adapt. Consider the artist, collaborating with AI to forge breathtaking creations beyond traditional media. Picture an AI system crafting hyper-realistic miniature models rich in cultural heritage and detail. That fusion of technology and artistry highlights the transformative power of AI and creativity. AI is the catalyst for change, reshaping industries and revolutionizing how we approach problems. From marketing to healthcare, AI's influence enhances personalization and empowers decision-making. Marketers now create tailored experiences using data-driven insights, moving beyond traditional mass marketing. AI assists writers in generating drafts and providing creative guidance, augmenting human capabilities. Data becomes a treasure trove of insights, enabling smarter, evidence-based decisions across various fields. Yet, amidst this technological advancement, the human spark of creativity remains essential for innovation. Creativity challenges assumptions and envisions better solutions, driving progress in our evolving society. Even in design, AI optimizes execution, but human insight crafts experiences that engage and resonate. When AI analyzes trends, it takes human creativity to transform findings into compelling narratives. Our unique human qualities like empathy and creativity must guide technology's trajectory into the future. Digital fluency is paramount for navigating modern complexities and participating meaningfully in our society. Mastering digital tools is not just beneficial, it's essential for thriving in today's economy. A digitally fluent workforce drives innovation and enhances productivity, crucial for success in business. Individuals equipped with digital skills find themselves empowered and ready to seize opportunities. AI is not meant to replace us. It exists to augment our intelligence, creativity, and productivity. Partnering with AI, we achieve extraordinary results that neither humans nor machines could attain alone. In healthcare, AI assists diagnosis, while human empathy dictates compassionate patient care. The profound synergy between human intelligence and AI accelerates progress and transforms realities. Cultivating collaboration with AI will redefine the nature of work and society as a whole. Embracing AI as a partner, we can collectively drive innovation and solve complex global challenges. The future we build will be a harmonious blend of technology, creativity, and human ingenuity.